Oh, it's doing it. Look, it's doing it. Like,
You can use it as a propeller. That's sick.
now I must. Now I must. Ah! Oh, did it? I'm gonna do something. Oh. Now click this button. Click this button.
Friends or
Yeah, friends.
lobby? Okay.
Friends. And then accept my request.
Oh, sweet. Okay.
It's so I can join back.
That's sweet. Okay, cool.
Alright, I'm gonna join him real quick. Yo, Frankie.
What?
Yo, Mr. L's in another code. Wanna join?
Maybe later.
Bro, he's gonna hop off soon. Later doesn't exist. It's now or
Okay.
never. I mean, it's now or next week. Okay. Where did you go? Is it? Oh.
A doctor.
Oh!
Well, howdy.
You- Are you trying to
What is that?
climb that? You want to
I
climb that?
was.
Use this rocket. Use this
Oh,
rocket if
okay.
you want to climb it. Grab it and activate it in the air. Where you want a rocket?
I
Point it
was
to
gonna
where
go
you want
check
a
out that
rocket.
moon station. But okay,
Oh yeah,
I see.
come. Follow me. Follow me.
Got it.
Because you don't even need the rocket to do that. Just
Okay.
grab onto this and you can rocket if you want to. Oh,
Alright, I'll be right there.
you have to look this way. Come here. Oh,
Where'd you go?
going in the
lost
rocket. I'm in the rocket.
Oh, there you are.
Here.
So sick. Okay.
Oh, dang it. What?
And
You're gonna
we're off
crash.
to space. Ah!
Ah,
We're in
we
space.
crash landed in space.
Oh, sick.
Well, part of space. Do you want to chill in the moon or actual outer space?
I'm down for whatever.
Then follow me.
I'm
In this
stuck.
crater.
Okay.
Just go in this thing.
Got it. Oh, we're back.
No, follow me for this. For this.
Okay.
Here is lake.
Got it.
Lake.
Whoa, this is cool.
But that's not the main attraction. You have to get up here. Your skill. Your newfound skill.
Okay. Time to jump. Hold on.
Look,
Let's go this way.
you can probably like
Oh,
oh you jumped you jumped on it. Like try and jump. You're doing it. You just
okay,
hit
got it. I think I made it. So you can
Okay.
jump off a
Now
wall?
jump over here. Yes. Uh-oh.
Ah!
I'll get you an item, Mr. Oh!
Yeah?
Remember the teleport grenade?
Oh, yes.
Get it? Get it? Oh. Uh-oh. 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 No!
Oh, whoops.
Grab it.
Okay. Got it.
No,
Now how do I activate it again?
and put it in my bag. Yes, activate it. Put it back. I'm gonna take you there.
Ah! Almost made it.
Oh, you're in. Hey, come here, come here. Come to the middle. Like over here. It's time on space. Do this.
Let's do this.
What the? What's going on?
We're flying. Where are we?
Swim to this area.
Which way?
Gotta-
Where? Oh,
Paddle this area.
I'm falling. Ah.
Is why I'm gonna give you your next item.
Alright. Oh, we're in space. We're no more on the boat.
Oh,
Ah.
I'm gonna give you your next item. Are you under the place? Oh no! Swim this way! Paddle! Paddle! You're going towards a black hole!
That's what's happening.
I'm going towards a black hole!
No, I'm coming.
It's gotta. I gotta.
Ah!
The next item is the fan. Try grab it. Grab.
Oh no!
I gotta propel myself up with it.
I see. Okay.
Just try and make it so the particles around you stop moving. Because okay, stop.
I feel like
Stop
I'm doing it wrong. I don't know. Stop.
Like rapidly tap your back trigger. Okay. Here. Oh, gotta.
I'm sorry.
Get
I'm
it.
terrible at this game.
No.
Ah,
Try and
no.
paddle up. Try and paddle up in that case.
Okay. Is it working? I can't tell.
You're paddling towards a cloud.
Not good. 1 second. Hold on.
I mean, you're paddling towards that. Try and paddle. I'm there. Spam tap.
Okay.
You're. No.
Ah!
Okay.
Okay. I think I stopped.
Okay. I'm gonna grab. Stop. Spam tap. Your back trigger. Get it.
Ah, dang it.
No. Okay. Just try and do this. Go towards here.
Where'd you go? I missed you.
Towards here.
Okay. I think I can kind of sort of getting the hang of it.
Oh, you're making it. Just try and paddle backward. Like try and. Okay, there. Now you're gonna rest on that wall. Okay, tap it. Okay, now grab. You got it. And now activate it where you want to go. It's a jetpack.
Oh, nice.
I want to get a jetpack for me too.
Cool.
Mr. O, where are you?
I'm out here still. Trying to find my way down. Oh, that's sick. Very cool.
But you
That
can
is
make it in
cool.
there. Make it in there.
Okay.
Gotta abandon my ship. Almost.
Oh.
You glitched. Oh. How is Animal Company so far out of 10?
I'm actually loving it. I wish my other hand was working. I will definitely make sure by our next session, I'll have the album charged. I'm gonna buy some rechargeable batteries.
So I've been recording this entire time, so we're gonna upload this to YouTube as teaching my therapist how to play Animal Company.
That's sick. Hell yeah, dude. All right, so I think we got about 5 more minutes. I'm giving us a little extra time, but what do you want to do?
Okay. I'm just trying to show you the map, but you're gonna fight with that back in the home area.
Oh, over there? Got it.
Yeah. Oh, you're floating?
I can
Where?
float with that thing still? That's crazy.
I'm just trying to show you all the maps.
Okay.
You can put the fan on your back.
Oh. Yeah, that'd be useful.
Hey,
to
look.
have.
Look.
Oh, that's sick. Got
Don't activate it. I saw in there. It's gonna be annoying.
it. Got it.
Alright, now come to this area. This green area.
Got it.
Don't leave the area.
Got it. Whoa,
We're back. Oh.
that's cool.
Oh.
Ah.
I'm gonna give you a bat. I'm gonna give you a bat. Here, have a bat and I'll get something like.
Yep.
Okay. Where are you?
Oh, I'm over here. Yep.
Okay. Now try and hit me with the bat.
Alrighty.
Ah.
Better not do it right. You're trying to do like a home run.
Actually, since you're on your left hand, you're new, have this. This does knockback.
Oh, it's Thor's hammer. This thing is
Yeah.
sick. I can just grab it. Got it.
No, hit me. Oh.
Okay.
Ah.
Very sick.
Ah. I missed. Oh. I can turn off double jump. So it's making it fair. If you got the cool hammer. Wow. You got me into there. You got me into dangerous areas.
Why is that gate closed? Ah! Oops,
Oh no,
hold
water.
on. 1 sec, my alarm's going off. Alright, I'll give us 5 more minutes, then I probably gotta call it, bud.
Okay.
Alrighty. Okay. Anyways, back to...
Ah. Follow me. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, you fell! Paddle! Paddle! I gotta run! Uh-oh! 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 Did you survive that?
Trying to paddle.
You survived the Megalodon.
Somehow, I heard that. Yeah, it was pretty terrifying. I forgot to tell you, I got it. Frightened.
Oh!
Hello there, sir. I survived again.
What?
Haha.
Just
Now, if I could
activate your fan.
Oh.
Oh!
I dropped it.
Oh!
I'm still alive. Oh,
Wait,
no,
they're
I'm not.
bouncing. They're bouncing. Well, why are you
Okay.
back? Uh-oh. I'm dead!
Wow.
Uh-oh.
Hello. Oh
I'm
goodness.
gonna attack you now. I'm gonna attack you now.
Man, I need to get better at this swimming thing.
Yeah. Probably because you don't have your right controller.
Yeah, that would be helpful. Imagine trying to swim with
Just
just...
respawn. I gotta ascend.
Come on. Oh,
Ah! So rate this out of 10. Rate Animal Company out of 10.
this is pretty cool. Right now, it's a 10 for me. I think it'll be even better once I have my right hand.
Yeah, I'm gonna get something. Uh-oh. Let's see. Oh, wrong area. Wait, what am I doing? It's this area.
Inventions
The
Archive.
saddle. No, I'm gonna strap you to this plate. Wanna know how I'm
Okay.
gonna strap you? Gonna
Am I?
this, then saddle, then grab onto this part. Grab onto this part.
Got it.
This little part. I can throw you. Oh! Oh! Why is it attacking you?
Oh, I think it's because it was whacking me the wrong way.
Can I kill you like that?
That's sick.
What if I rock it? Oh, that's an idea. Let me just strap. Actually,
Oh,
no,
put a
don't need
rocket
strap
on it.
for this. Good luck.
Farewell. On
luck.
to the moon.
Oh! Oh! I got you. Oh, wait, you're dead.
Yeah, that.
That was awesome.
Ow!
Oh man, that was crazy.
Where are you?
I'm over here.
Got you!
What?
Oh, my
Yeah,
favorite
Animal
item.
Company's pretty
Teleport
cool.
knife. Teleport knife.
Oh, that's cool. You
What?
toss it and it goes wherever you need to go.
Have it.
Okay.
Then throw it. Throw it.
Oh.
Throw. It attack me with it. Like, oh.
Okay, let
You
me
know,
try
for
this
the
again.
last part, let's go. Let's go to this place. So you want
Alright,
to know
let's
what
go.
it is?
So I just press it?
Yeah, you do. We're in hell.
Awesome.
AKA the smiley place. So this is what it is. I don't know why it's so dark. Just
Perhaps it's
carefully.
the time of day.
Uh-oh. You can't exactly
that.
die here.
I see. That makes sense because it's hell. Well, Mr. Chris, is there anything else you wanted to talk about before we call it a day?
Nah.
Everything good? Fans good? All that stuff?
Yeah.
Cool, buddy.
Although that's been one thing. Like I'm randomly seeing stuff